No, Ravi, I didn't purchase.
Okay. Briti, you want to try with domain one?
For that, I
Ravi,
need to purchase, right, Ravi?
Yeah.
Ravi, can we deploy dynamic website here?
No.
Oh,
No,
no.
it will. You can deploy a dynamic website here, but it should be, yeah. You can dynamic means what? Means it should not have that DB and backend on only. Okay, means the navigation you can do here.
Navigation.
Navigation means
No,
what?
I want to connect a database also. May
No, no,
suppose
no, no,
someone.
no, no. You don't get that option here in free of this subscription. Briti, you click on that your website, Briti one. Breathy one, not yeah, the new one you open here, na? Yeah, you click on that shop, new, sell, anything. Yeah, it will give you the navigation to you. Okay,
Yeah,
but it not support the DB or whatever it is, like
yeah,
backend or any backend API is there, so it won't support. It just support your static means what means it will just navigate you to some somewhat level. Okay,
yeah.
and you can build your website with the help of Java, Python, whatever it is, to give your website good looking or whatever it is.
Okay,
But two things is there: DB database and that part it won't support the backend.
okay.
Okay,
May I know like what type of platform is your company is using for deployment?
deployment we are using that Argo CD1 only. Kubernetes for the microservices we are using Kubernetes only, and for the monolithic we are using that VM only, virtual machines as a server.
Yeah, like most of the companies will are using Argo CD only, right?
Yeah, but if customer is that means
Yeah, based on client,
yeah,
I got that.
it
I'm
is
not like, is that Argo CD a free platform to learn?
yeah free platform. We will also go through that Argo CD one. Once we will finish that Kubernetes one, na, then only we will just go to that only Argo CD one.
Okay,
Actually, Argo CD had having no any difference like that, but it support the Git only.
okay,
Okay, means whatever the Git having that versioning power na, that Argo CD just it support to the Git only through the Git.
okay. Not GitHub, it's Git only.
Git. I'm talking about Git.
Git Bash one.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Ravi, can we try the Kubernetes today through AKS?
Yeah, we can try. Uh, Sanjay, you have your account with you now, and you also have your account with you. Okay.
Yes,
So
Ravi.
first today we will today half an hour we will go for the Docker, and then rest of that time we will go for Kubernetes one. Okay.
Okay.
Ravi, for the Docker, if the basic command we know that will okay now, or
No. Actually, you should know that how the network work here, how the database work there. Okay, and
okay,
how we can create multi-stage Docker file. How we have means how we are writing Docker multi-stage Docker file. Okay,
multi-stage Docker file means
first
multiple Docker file.
not like that. Actually, today we will going to learn that part. Okay, multi-stage Docker file, and the next part is the next level is the Docker Compose one. Means at a time you can create 10, 5 container or 10 container at a time. Okay, with the help of
Okay,
that.
okay.
So Briti, open your Docker window. Open your Docker engine and CMD or PowerShell, whatever you have, and you
Okay.
open your VS Code. uh,
In any folder.
yeah, create one folder and open that folder in any of the, give today's date.
Which file I have to create, or I should open the terminal?
No, let I'll share my screen first. Then you just you created you open in there in your
Yeah, I have
browser.
opened that VS Code.
Yeah, okay. First, I'll tell you. Is my screen visible now?
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah. So draw.io. So Sanjay and Vriti, you have any idea about the Docker network? How Docker network work?
Means how the
Which
container
type?
are.
No, the type of network for the communication purpose. Actually, what happened na? Whatever we have VM, we have 4 to 5 VM at a time, so that they need some network. Like there we are creating virtual network, subnet and all. Okay, and we have some system there. You know no that time. Look, VM is one of the another thing, and the Docker is one of the another thing. Okay, let I'll explain you that part only. That part I have explained you, I think, na virtualization and containerization. Brati, you remember that part?
Containerization.
Yeah, virtualization and containerization.
I don't think so. Like we have discussed about that.
Yeah, we have discussed, I think, virtualization.
Uh, it's a technology. Like we'll create the different types of VMs which act as a
Mm, yeah, virtualization, and the one is you are
containerization. Oh, containerization. Yeah, managing of the containers. Management. Container management.
okay. It should like this, and look, virtualization. What we do here, we have our big, the vast physical machine, and it having some configurations you can say 100 GB RAM. Okay, So what we are doing for the virtual machines, we have some hypervisor, and with the help of this we are creating our VM1, VM2, VM3, or we have VM100. Okay, are you getting my point, Sanjay and Briti?
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, Ravi.
Yeah, so what is the work of virtual this hypervisor?
It's a
It
software
create
that supports VMs to run.
it create a separate means it give the part of some hardware and RAM to the for the VM means it's create an isolated environment for the VM.
Yeah, okay. So what it does, hypervisor is a third party tool, we can say, and it is segregate the system. Like we have our physical machine, big physical machine, and we can just create a virtual machines with the help of this hypervisor. Okay, so
Yeah.
every VM having their separate operating system. Okay, now look, Sanjay has created one VM that day, and he tried to host a website there. Okay, he having one file there, and he hosted some file on that VM. So it having their own operating system there. Sanjay, you have their own operating system that time now, and you host your
Yes,
one
Ravi.
website, simple website. For hosting a simple website, you used your virtual machines. Okay, and full memory and whatever you have used there. So is it fully used by you, or it is a simple means a part of your virtual machine you use there? Are you getting my point, Briti, what I'm trying to say?
If you don't mind, can you repeat what you have said?
Means if you are creating a virtual machine, okay, you are creating over your over some of physical machines. Okay, some of physical machine that is located somewhere in the data center. Okay,
Hmm.
and if you are going to host a website on your VM, so
Hmm.
what you have done for that to hosting a website in your VM? We have done
We
now
have copied
manually.
the path.
Yeah, we what we have done, we have just simply taken that upgrade and update, and we whatever the
Yeah, we
requirement
have
is there.
installed the application
Yeah,
and
we install our Nginx, and we just git clone the system, git clone the repository, and we have copied in the their part, means Nginx folder, wherever it is the HTML file is there, index.html, we have
yeah, we have
pasted
replaced that one. Yeah.
we have pasted over there. So
Yeah.
hardly your that file is hardly maybe maximum 5 or 5 MB. Now I'm just telling you 5 MB only. But what you
Yeah.
have done, you have taken a virtual machine of 30 GB, okay, and having at least 1 GB RAM for that. So what you have done here, so it having the virtualization having the isolation it having, and you have their own resources. It can have portability, like you can change the sizes and whatever is there, like you can change the RAM, you can change the size of the disk and all. Okay, so it fully depends on you only in virtualization.
Yeah.
Okay, but what is the that cons is there? means it is not
It
used.
takes a lot of space.
Yeah, it is for the simple hosting platform. We just use 30 GB of that part, and it is the wastage of memory and all. So
Yeah,
what we do in containerization, okay. So as part of the isolation, we can say the VM1 is also separated, VM2 is also separated, VM3 is also separated. Means it won't get affected by one of the other VM, whatever we
yeah,
have created with that our hypervisor. Okay, so
yeah,
each having its own kernel. Okay, each one having its own kernel of OS.
yeah.
Okay, and actually it having the full operating system, whatever it is Windows or it is the Ubuntu or it is the Mac OS. So it having the full operating system on that VM. Okay, and how many VM we are creating, like this is for the Ubuntu, this is for the
Red
uh,
Hat
Red
Linux,
Hat Linux, and whatever it is, the Windows,
Debian.
Mac OS. So everyone having the different operating system, but it having the full operating system. So
Yeah,
they are heavyweight. Okay, means their operating system only, I think maybe 1 GB or 2 GB only. Okay, like that is there. So
yeah,
it's a higher resource consumption, we can say, like CPU, RAM, or storage, whatever, and it is slower to start. Okay, I'll write here.
yeah,
Okay, it's isolated. Isolated with the each other, and again what I can say, slower to start, uses more resource. It may be CPU, it may be RAM, or it may be storage. Okay, and slow to start. You can say right here startup, to startup. Okay, and portability is very complex. Like VMs are very less portable. Okay, because of their large size. Less portable. Okay, or I can say migrating a VM can be complex. And if we compare to this containerization, what we do here, it having very less, in one VM we can run. Okay, so we can create container here with the help of
With the help of images.
container. I'll give c1, c2 or c3. I'll increase this size so that 4 GB RAM. Okay, and C. So what we have, it is a very more lightweight compared to more lightweight. Okay, why this is more lightweight? Can you tell me, Briti?
Uh, Only one single machine we are using. On one machine, we are using different types of container, and container will be like it can optimize the application size.
No, no. Why it is more lightweight? Means
Ravi,
compare. Yeah,
OS image having only necessary file.
yeah. Okay, means I'll write here one more thing. That is it having the full OS, full operating system. Okay, share the host operating system kernel. Okay, and it makes it light in weight. Okay, and if I talk about why, what happened when it take,
Ravi,
yeah,
you are writing a share the host OS means it is.
means it will whatever the virtual machine having the operating system na, it will
Mm,
take only that part only, or whatever we are whatever the image we will take,
mm,
whatever the image we will take for the hosting one, so that it will take only the thing that can run the container only. Okay, means for
okay,
the running
okay,
purpose, means the for the means how means the container can just live there, so that it take only that part only, don't take the necessary file. Brati,
okay.
yesterday you have seen that if you having the virtual machines with ubuntu file, the nginx is at some other locations, but whenever you used your docker one, means container one, that time you got your file somewhere, no, other in other place.
Yeah.
Why it happened? Because when you created container, okay, with the help of images, it takes the only the necessary file what is required to run a container only, means to live a container that time. Okay.
Okay.
And share the host more lightweight, and it uses, the uses container engine. Container engine means what, Sanjay? What do you understand by the container engine?
uh, for the means at the time of boot the container, uh, whatever the necessary file is running by the container engine,
Briti, you have any idea about container engine?
means in the virtual means in the physical machine, everything is there in the our kernel, means it is run by our kernel. OS file is running, so whatever the things is done by our physical machine, that is done by the uh, engine, docker engine or container engine.
Like it is like a manager, like what are the tasks done by containers, that the those are managed by container engine controller, like.
Yeah, okay. So containerization is what is a more in lightweight, okay, to form a virtualizations. And what it uses container engine. It uses container engines. It may be your docker one or the kubernetes one, okay.
Yeah.
And it also having that isolation, means it is also isolated with the each other, like container 1 and container 2 are isolated with the each other, okay. And yeah, container only having the packages.
Ravi,
Yeah,
can you once again describe container engine?
container engine is what, na Sanjay, we are using na that docker one. Whenever we are starting with the docker part, what should have to do, first we have to start the docker engine, okay. And if you are using minikube or whatever it is, kubernetes one, so that it is automatically it takes that engine one. Means whenever we are creating any virtualization for the container, like container is also a part of virtualization, okay. Means it is virtualization of what, the virtual machines we can say, okay. Or it may be a physical machine also. So container is also virtualization, okay. But it uses which one, it uses the container engine to make it virtualize.
Okay, okay.
And
Okay,
it is,
got it.
isolated with the each other, okay. So that it is done by that the engine one, like container engine or whatever we have, okay, to create any file, container file.
Okay.
So container only, only packages and dependencies, only packages and dependencies, okay. So this is the part of isolations, and it is faster compared to this. It is very fast. Okay, any doubt till now, Sanjay?
No, Ravi.
Briti, about containerization and virtualization?
In containerization, like what do you mean by the packages and the dependencies? I'm
Actually,
not.
the OS only means it takes the OS part, means only packages and dependency what it required, only that part only.
Okay, okay,
Okay, so it makes it very lightweight. Okay.
okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
Ravi, when we create a VMs, we define means how much RAM it will take, how much hard drive it will take. We are defining at the time of creation of VM, but in the time of creation of container, we doesn't define the how much the RAM it will take. So how they will take the storage one and RAM
Actually,
means.
what happened na in container? Actually, container is, that it can anytime it can dies, like it can stop working like that. So we create for the data restoration or whatever we have some, we can use that virtual machine data disk, means like that, this HDD or SSD what it have, and we can also use our storage account or DB from the external one, and we have to make it, make a connection in that. So how much GB or how much MB I will assign to this container one, and that is called the persistent volume, and it is just claimed by that PVC, persistent volume claim, PV and PVC. Okay, so when we will come through that part na, PV and PVC, that time I will tell you that how it uses the memory of your machine, or the other third party app, like storage account or whatever we have. Okay, just
Okay, okay.
when you are creating your that partner, so you can control it in how much MB it can use by the container one, how much MB it can be used by the container two, like that. Okay.
Ravi, means suppose I am in the virtual machine, and in the virtual machine I have a container one. Okay, so I can means I can access the container file or directory whatever have in the container.
Yeah, you can avail the whatever the container, whatever the file you have in container. Yesterday only we have seen na that part, you can enter into the container one.
No, without entering.
Without entering, how can you access that part? Yeah, if you having that the authorization and all. Okay, so that you can enter it, like if you are using the ACR, Azure Content Registry. Okay, and if you have the authority, like read or write, so you can just get into that container part. Okay,
Okay,
and if you don't have the authority, you can't get into that container. So we will just assign through that RBAC one. Okay, that who is authorized to use that one or who is not. Okay.
okay.
So this is the container one and the virtualization. Okay, so virtualizations is what, um, again I'll tell you that it is used by the hypervisor. Okay, it is used by the hypervisor, virtualization. And here we use, what we use, Prati, here?
host OS.
No, container engine, to
Oh,
make
I'm
it.
sorry. Okay, it is based on the host OS, like okay.
Yeah, means to make it, isolated or any virtualization, we will use hypervisor. But if you are using that if you want any container one, so we need to use the container engine to make it virtualize.
Okay.
Okay. And once again I told you that it is heavyweight, virtualization is heavyweight. Okay. Due to what? Because of the including the full operating system and all, and it is very less means it is share the host kernel, host OS kernel, and it is lightweight. And it is it is using means it having the isolation part is very high. Okay. And it is having the moderate one. Why? Because it just share the host kernel, that's why it's having the moderate one like that. And this is virtualizations means the virtual machine is very slow to start, means it can take minutes to start. But in if we comes to the container one, it's just suddenly within a second it can start. So yesterday we have seen that. Okay, that container we can start within a second. And the portability, I told you that it is less portable, and it is the high portability it having like that. Any doubt till now?
No, Ravi.
Oh, now so now we are just getting into the Docker network. Basic command everyone knows. Okay, Docker networking. Okay, so what we have in Docker networking? First we have that bridge network. Any
Host network.
host network.
Network.
Next,
Overlay network.
overlay network. Next, make VLAN network, or
Okay.
the one is last, the none. Okay. So any idea about this networks that Docker is using here?
Ravi, Docker networking means the networking in between the containers.
Yeah, between the containers only.
Okay.
Okay. So how means we can say Docker. Okay, we have to make it connectivity. Okay, through some network, so that it can be used by the user, or the client, I can say, or the admin only. So it having some network. Okay, so these are the types of network: bridge network, host network, overlay, macvillian, and the none one. Okay, so I'll tell you the difference between these networks, what it does. The bridge network. Okay, it in this uh, like I can say get IPs, like you can say I'll give you 172 dot I'll write the full one. 0 1 0 2 3. Okay, containers get IP is like this means it is used to for the internal communications between the containers, okay, on the bridge. And if you want to give the network, so that we have to give the command like docker run, and you have to run that -d, and then you have to give dash dash network, and you have to give the type of network there, like network bridge. Okay. uh, I'll I'll write here docker run -d, docker run -d dash dash network, and you have to give the name, like I'm giving the bridge name, so that I'm going to connect with this network. Okay, the bridge network, type of network is bridge, I'm writing here. And I have to give the name of that image. Okay, any doubt till now?
Uh, no, Ravi, but I'm not getting like how it connects with the containers.
Yeah, means the first,
Is that through IPs only?
yeah, IP only, like I'll giving here the second container name as Ravi2. Okay, and if I'll giving here the container name 3. Okay, now here we having the 3 container with different name, so it will get IP like this: 172.17.0.1, and one get the 17.0.2, and it will connect like this. I'll tell you in full. Docker, I have one image na, yeah. So like I can say here, let it outside. Okay, this is a bridge network. Okay, so like this one is Ravi, and This is Ravi 2, and this is Ravi 3. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to connect it through our network bridge. So like it will take this IP, 3 and this is 4. Now this is connected to bridge network, and this is connected to okay, like this it will connect.
Ravi,
Yeah,
I got it out. Like, we'll call a bridge network as a default network, right? Even if you don't create a bridge network, also like Docker will have the default network, right?
yeah,
Is that same like
but
this only like for other network also? Like we are creating a network for that?
yeah, we can use the host network. Okay, means Docker can use host network also there, and it can use that none network also. Okay, so I'll tell you the one by one that what is the work of that. So it can communicate, okay, through the bridge network like this.
Okay.
Now in any doubt in this bridge network?
No, up to the
Sanjay?
pictorial form, I'm good, but
Sanjay?
I'm not getting the physical. I mean, work how it works.
Okay, when we do the live,
Ravi,
yeah,
Ravi, every container is directly connected to the bridge network, no?
yeah, when you are create a container, so it directly connect to the bridge network
Bridge
one.
network,
Okay,
okay.
That means like this bridge network acts as a agent. We can say like a mediator per. We can say right.
no, according to the users only, we are using like we are using none network. Okay, when we are using none, so we want that container to be isolated every time, so that we will use none. Okay,
Okay.
and sometime if you sometime
Okay, means there is a no router type things are there in place of in the when we are using the non network.
yeah, means
Okay.
that is separated from if you giving some container as a non network na, that means that it is isolated, means it is not going to communicate with any of other container.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
so now comes to the host network, what it does. So whenever we create let Brethi told no that this is default network. This is the default network. Okay, default. and containers in this network. Containers share the network, share host network. And whatever the your host network, it will take that one. 192 dot related, an example 168.1.8. Why this arrow goes this type? Okay.
Ravi, small talk.
Yeah,
You said like for the host network, we are using the host IP address, like the private IP address of the host itself. It is using right the containers.
means the whatever the IP got your laptop or your VM, means your local, that network only it is used by the container one to communicate between any of the network. Okay,
Okay, here we are using only one IP address. That means right.
yeah, our IP means our VM or whatever we have only one IP na there.
Like in bridge one, like we are creating dynamically, like we are assigning that IP addresses. I'm not
No, no,
getting.
we are assigning that one. This is the type one. Okay, this is the type of the network which is used by the Docker one, like host network, bridge network. Okay, and if you are creating, if you will give assigning let I'll write here. Okay, if we have our own PC like that. Okay, so everything whatever we have the container here, everyone is connected through that network only. Our network means this network. Okay, in single network all container is there like that. Means it uh, means container will not get the IP here, means this whole I can say here, I'll put here. Yeah, if you want to use this, so I have to use here the host one. Okay, Ravi 6 or Ravi 4. Okay, and if I am giving again new container, then it is Ravi 5. Now got my point here, Briti? Sanjay?
Ravi, in the host container, how do we connect to the different container? Means every container
Yeah,
have the same IP.
yeah. Even I'm getting the same doubt, Ravi. Like how
means
does those
means
containers
means means
communicate?
means here container will not assign means container will not going to assign any IP here. Okay, like it is in one network only all the containers. If you will put that this one like docker run minus d dash dash network host dash dash ravi 4 nginx. Okay, and again you are again writing for the next container for the ravi 5. So what will happen here, this will container ravi 4 and ravi 5 will not get assigned any IP for that, but it will use our network, okay, to communicate within that one. Like I can say here, this is Ravi 4 or Ravi 5. Now you got my point here. Means its containers share the host network, whatever we have the network na in our system, local system. It host means it share that network only, and no container IP is going to assign that one, and container uses that host IP directly. That IP na, that IP belongs to this one. It is used by automatically, directly means. Now you are getting.
Ravi,
Yeah,
I got a small doubt.
yeah,
We are using network, I mean Docker network for communication between the containers only, right?
yeah,
Like if you want to migrate or if you want to need any, if you want any storage or anything, we'll contact one container from another container, right? Like the tuner, right? Networking means.
yeah. Means if we provide any any PV, like persistent volume, to this network, so that it can used by this Docker one, and
Yeah.
this part also means the Ravi 4 and Ravi
So it
5 both.
will be mutual sharing there,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Okay. Okay. Is there any separate command like from one container we can access the another container also?
yeah. We can use na, if they are in the same network, we can just use with the help of ping one. You can check it that whether we can
Okay.
able to get connect through that network or not. Okay, when we will do the lab na, that time we will
Okay.
get it.
Okay. Okay. No, actually, I remember that ping command only in Ansible one, so I'm not sure about that. Like we'll also use in the same Docker
Now,
topics also.
ping means what? That it is communicating or not. Ping means that
Okay.
one only, na. We are
Yeah.
using that.
Okay.
We use ping means that it is communicating with the other container or not. So that I used here as ping.
Okay.
Sanjay, now any doubt?
Can you revise?
Okay. Non network means it is completely isolated. Okay, if you provide this non network, let I'll write here. Okay, and this one, the overlay network, or we can say that the make VLAN. This one assign IP through local LAN. Actually, in Docker, we basically used these two network. Okay, the bridge network and the host network. Okay, rest of them we are using somewhere, like in Kubernetes or whatever, like Docker Swarm. We are using here. Okay, overlay network. It is for the multi-host Docker. Okay, so now Briti, what you do right now? You with the help of Nginx, you create three Docker container, and you give name as whatever you want to give, and try to keep that Docker in the same network, and that is bridge network. Okay,
Like, you mean to say like I should create the containers using bridge network, like whatever the command you have mentioned in the picture one, I
Yeah,
have to use that one.
yeah, you have to use that one, and you have to keep the container in the same network, that is bridge network. Okay, and again you have to create the two docker container, and you have to keep that in the host network.
Host
Okay,
network.
okay, these
Okay.
two requirement is there, just I gave you right now. You try to create it. Now
Okay. In my
I'm
PowerShell or in the VS Code itself, I have
VS
to run
code you
that.
do na, in VS code you do.
Okay.
That is all. I'm going to
Okay.
stop the sharing my screen. Okay, you share your screen.
Yeah.
Sanjay, you also create your screen. Okay. Sanjay, you have your system now with you, that VM or whatever you have.
Yes. Okay. No, I terminated yesterday. I deleted. Should I create a new one?
Yeah, you create it na,
Okay.
and uninstall Docker as soon as possible.
Okay.
But wait. You just see the screen of Brethi desktop. Okay, wait. After that,
Okay. Okay.
after the class, you just create it and try to do the practice. Okay.
Okay, Ravi. Ravi, why Preeti is starting a mini queue?
Why you are starting mini queue?
Yeah, yeah, the service is stopped, right? Oh, I need to check the Docker version, right? Sorry, I forgot. Okay. Ravi, I'm
Yeah.
having three images. I think. Can I check the status of Nginx or should I pull another image?
No. Nginx you have na. You have Nginx email.
Actually, I
Why?
have stopped the services. Like, I didn't delete that one, but I have stopped that image. Can I start from here itself, or can I go through that Docker desktop one?
Start from here, na? Not issue. Or start from the Docker, whatever you want. Do it. You just create na container. You create.
Okay.
First, you inspect your network. What type of network you have right now with you?
Okay.
Docker network inspect. Yeah, or Docker network ls. You write Docker network ls. Okay, so you have
Bridge host null.
bridge, null, host. Two type of network you have. Okay,
Yeah.
bridge, host, null. Three type network you have right now here. So the name the given, the one bridge network you given as the name bridge, and another bridge network is named as the mini cube. Okay, and another host one network name given as the host, and another null network you given the name as none. So now you create one network there. How to create a network, Sanjay?
Um, Docker network
Docker
IT
network,
hyphen IT
Docker network create, write create,
hyphen
and
IT.
create. Then you have to give the network name, like give Breti, you give
Should I give the tag in I mean,
uh,
double?
after create you give direct name only, Breti. Okay,
Okay.
and space, that is the minus d, space minus d, and space, and the name of network means in which type of network you are going to put your Breti network. So it is the bridge network. Don't put dash, only bridge. Yeah, now put enter. Okay, one network is created. Do the Docker network ls
Ravi, BT is the network name, na?
network name, and it is use that bridge one, Docker
This
network.
one is they given the ID of network.
Yeah, network id.
Okay.
Now you do Breti Docker network inspect your name, Docker network inspect Breti.
The full information.
Okay, your network having the full information. Okay, like that. Now you do one thing, you create three container, that is Breti 1, Breti 2, Breti 3, or any brew 1, brew 2, whatever you are creating, that type of. And it should have that one, it should have the port forwarding and everything with that. Every command we are using with the same time. Dash dash network, you have to give dash dash network. Minus d is okay, minus d is okay, minus d for the detached mode. Dash dash network, and you have to give the your name Breti.
Okay. 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 This that command of what I have typed is like for creating network and creating the containers at a time, right?
Yeah, container in that network only. Why you will create network separately, you will create container separately? You have to do in the same line. Yeah.
Okay. Uh, Is that okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Shall I enter the?
No, no,
Uh,
no. You have to give the image name, na?
Okay.
Ravi, what is 8,000?
I'm assigning the port number as 8000 for that container.
Okay,
I mean, you
Default.
meant it will listen on the port number 8000. Okay, your container.
8,000. Okay, okay, got it.
Shall I enter that one?
Yeah, put enter. Do Docker ps. Okay. Now you check that Docker inspect. Docker inspect. Yeah, you
Okay.
do the override.
Oh, okay. I have given that one. I think this is the correct one, right?
You put now. Put enter. No.
Hyphen O is not that one.
How we are using that one? Wide one. Sanjay, you remember that code?
What you said, Ravi?
What
For
exactly
what?
what you want to do, Greti?
Like I just want to get complete information of that container.
Inspect. Docker inspect.
No, we are
Or
that
to
that
inspect that one.
that is for the network.
Okay. Okay.
for a container also inspect.
You do
No.
Docker ps minus minus help. If you forgot the command, you go for that one. Okay. Yeah, help.
Okay.
Now what you want, you can check it here.
There is no information for getting to complete information of that container.
Yeah, check it. Which one you will use here,
Ravi,
or you do Docker help, Docker space space help.
Ravi, Docker inspect and container name. You can do
Docker.
Docker inspect and container name or ID.
No, Brethi don't want to do that. What you are asking, what you are saying. Okay.
Here it is given like inspect written low level information on Docker objects.
Docker ps, with the ps, any command is there?
I'm not getting the PS command here itself. Port and pass, those two are there. Okay, this is for SWAM command, so I'm sorry. Okay, Docker PS list the containers only. Common commands. Ravi, can you just guide me? Did I miss anything in that command?
Which one you are using? Docker.
That wide command, Docker PS, that one is there, right?
It
I
it,
mean, hyphen wide.
it works on that qctl one, where it is working here or not. I have to check. You again you write.
Kubectl. No, previous time, like we have written that one.
You write Docker ps. Yeah.
I'm not getting like, is it hyphen wide? space O or hyphen O space wide.
Write it somewhere. Some what you have in mind.
Okay. Unknown shorthand.
Docker PS na. You get help. Docker PS does this help.
There is no command for this. Display total file size. Only display container IDs. No truncate output. Latest created containers. Last created containers. Format output using show all containers.
You give na minus a. You give.
Like
Okay. Then
it
Docker.
will give even the dead containers also.
Oh, that one. Na. You want the network also with that na.
Yeah, like complete information we'll get. If we give only Docker PS,
Go on top. What you have given as command. Docker PS wide na. You give Docker dash PS. It will take. Let's see.
only dash PS.
Dash PS dash wide and remove that one O part.
No, there is no dash PS.
You write it together. Docker dash PS dash wide. Don't put any.
No,
Uh, Docker dash PS dash wide. Don't give gap. That.
no, I didn't give the gap.
Docker and dash having one gap na in PS. Docker.
Okay.
Try this command.
No,
Wide not having na. Also write it together na. All the commands together.
no, I don't think so. We are having that one.
No, it won't work.
Okay, no problem. I'll just leave that command right now itself. I'll just fetch for that another time.
Okay.
I'll just create the containers right now.
You try to do the ChatGPT one. How we can use the wide one in Docker? You write it ChatGPT.
Okay, double hyphen. Oh, that is not there. Okay. What Sanjay has said is right actually. We can also use this one, complete details.
Docker inspect one, no?
Okay, it's double hyphen. I have given only a single hyphen. I'll just try that.
Don't write O na. Only write wide. No, it won't. It won't taking. Yeah, try to create three container with the help of that one.
Which one you are saying? Oh, normal container creation. You
Yeah,
have.
yeah, yeah. Let's see that container is running or not at port number 8000.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Like
Your
if you give three containers on the same, I mean, with different sorry, port numbers, the same file will work on the three different port
yeah,
numbers.
yeah.
Okay, because we are forming a network here. That's why, right?
not network. You can if you give the host network also, it ran. Okay, actually what you are doing, you are giving you are assigning the port forwarding one, means you are giving one port to your container, and you are exposing that port, container port, to the public one. Okay, so that it is giving you that one, that file.
Yeah, actually, normally if you don't put like in the command, in this command, we are putting network, right? Hyphen hyphen
why
network. We
why
are
we
specifying.
why we are putting network, so that our container also should communicate, means also can communicate within that network, like it can share the whatever it having.
Okay.
Now next container, Sanjay will tell you how to create it. Okay, second container you create it, third container Sanjay will tell you. Sanjay, clear it, Brati, clear it. Now Sanjay, tell Brati how to create a container, third container.
In the network now,
Yeah, in the same Brati network, bridge network.
Docker network. Uh,
Whatever Sanjay is saying, okay, first write it Brati, and if he need any correction, just do it and explain it. Okay.
Yeah, Ravi.
Okay.
Network name. Actually, I forgot. Let me do ChatGPT. Create. Yes. Briti, right? A Docker network create hyphen 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 driver. Sorry, hyphen hyphen driver bridge space bridge space or your network name means Briti.
Okay. I'll give another name because I have given a Brihati name. That's why. Actually, this is for creating a new network, right?
Mm,
Sanjay,
yeah, for the new.
Sanjay, my voice is audible to you, Sanjay?
Okay, okay, okay. I give you another command for the
No,
in
no,
the
no.
same.
Why you give this command? You understand the first. You have to understand the requirement. What
No, I
mean?
give the command to create a new network.
Who told you?
Okay.
So first try to understand the requirement what we have. Okay, and then you proceed it.
Okay.
So our requirement is that we need three network. Okay, in the what the Brihti has created one network in bridge network, and you have to create three container in that. And Brihti
Okay.
has already created two container, and
Okay. One more.
she gave the name of that container, and that the both container is running, and having the port forwarding at some port, and it is showing there nginx one, nginx is running on that port. Okay, and
Okay.
she showed you that nginx one also. Now you have to create the third container, whatever the container name you have to give that name, and it should be in that bridge network. And the Brihati has created one network, that name is Brihati, and that container should be in that network only. Okay,
Okay.
and port forwarding, it should be anyone, whatever you have in mind. Now you are clear with the requirement.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, now please proceed.
Okay, Preeti, right. Docker run hyphen dit hyphen d or hyphen it for detached mode. Hyphen d and hyphen it, or you can hello
Yeah, yeah, Sanjay.
hyphen it.
I have to give both IT and hyphen D.
Yes.
Okay.
Sanjay, again, why you are giving here IT?
How?
Breti, is there any requirement of IT?
No, like if we can give any, I mean anyone, either IT or either D. IT means like it will run in attached mode. If we give hyphen D means it will run in background. That means we can't see that logs. It will run in background. That means detached mode.
Okay.
If you are
Okay.
giving IT means like the content creation, while content creation logs will be created. Those logs will be displayed here, and we have to stop that one.
Breti, let your
Okay.
font size a little bigger. Breti, Control
Yeah.
plus. Only one.
Okay. Give only hyphen d.
Yeah, one time, not two time. Yeah, now it's okay.
Hyphen d only. Hyphen name, or your container name is Preeti, right? Preeti.
No, my network name is Brihati.
Ah, sorry. Network name is Preeti, right? Preeti.
Okay, I'm giving a container name.
Network, and your network name space and Unix.
Aren't we not like we are not going to assign any kind of port number here?
Assign 8000 colon 80 hyphen p, then 8080.
Don't assign 8000, Breti. You
Yeah,
already
yeah,
got
yeah, Ravi.
Linux is already running on that port, Sanjay. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. 8003. Okay. Right. Yeah, it's correct. Enter.
Now, Breti, Sanjay, one more requirement is there. Sanjay.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah. Now what I have to do? I have to create a network in host one, host network one. Okay. And the
Okay.
host network name will be the Sanjay. Brati, you got my
Okay.
point? And there should only two container, and that name Sanjay 1 or Sanjay 2. Sanjay is your host network name, and container name is Sanjay 1 and Sanjay 2, and it should be in host network only. Now create first network on the name of Sanjay, and then you create two container with the help of Nginx one. Now let Sanjay will say you, okay? Briti, guide you. Sanjay, Sanjay,
Yeah.
Sanjay, I lost your network.
Yeah. Preeti, right. Docker run
Then why you are starting with Docker run?
hyphen d.
Sanjay, why you are you have gone through the requirement? Briti, can you explain the requirement once again?
Yeah, I'm actually giving hint also. Like here we are using this net. Sorry, what is this? Yeah, this command for creating different types of networks. Like here I have mentioned bridge. If I have mentioned in host in place of bridge, a new host network will be created. So I gave two times hint for him
Yeah.
so that he can, I was trying to
Sanjay,
help
first
him.
you have to create. Okay, you can assign your image, means whatever the container you have to your host network. But before that, I ask you to create one container, sorry, network with the name of Sanjay. So you have to create first container, sorry, network in the host network.
Okay.
Now, please proceed.
Docker network. I forgot Ravi.
Okay, Briti, you do the task and try to explain Sanjay so that he can remember.
Yeah.
Docker host. Okay. Hyphen D host. Host should be small, I guess.
Is that small or capital? Like, is that
Try to run.
particularly one?
Try to run the command.
Okay.
Maximum, what will happen? Your system will go to the death position.
You.
That much. Huh?
Okay.
So never,
No, I won't let my system to die. Okay.
you already one host network is there. Okay, you do Docker network ls.
That means only one host can be we can use there, right?
Yeah, you have to delete that network. So how can you delete?
Okay. Is that RM we can use?
Hmm?
RM.
Try with
Oh,
rm.
host name. Okay. I'll try with the code thing once.
Wait. You can't delete that one. Host network
Okay.
is a predefined network. Docker is used here. Okay, Docker is used
Cannot be
here.
removed.
Means it cannot be removed, and you can't change the name also. Okay, you try to
Okay.
change the name.
One second, Ravi. I'm sorry. MV is for renaming only, right?
Which one?
MV, the command.
MV.
Renaming.
App is for move now.
No, actually, we can use for two purposes, I think. So, like if you provide the path, it will shift the object or anything from one place to another.
Try
Because
to
in okay,
try to do.
actually there is no command for to rename
Okay, so means you understand the second thing, that you can't also rename the
networks.
host network. Host network. Okay.
No, not only host network. Like we don't have any command. Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. Means name also means we can't create any host network and we can't
Rename
name
it.
that name of that any network. Okay, like that.
Yeah.
So now you do one thing, try to create the container, okay, in the host network only, and it should be in there only. The host network name should be host one.
Okay.
Sanjay will tell you. Sanjay will tell you. Wait, Sanjay. Sanjay,
Whatever.
Sanjay, you have to create two container, okay, in host network. Please tell the command to Briti. Actually, she forgot.
Okay. Docker run -d -name, give any name, uh, then -p, give the port number,
Like what? What port number should I put?
8000.
Actually, I have provided the 8000 to another one, right?
No, no, you are creating another network. No? You are creating that one is for the breach one. This is the host one.
Okay.
Colon 80. Uh, then high uh, host space host. Uh, then Hare.
Hello.
What is the host network name you created?
No host network has been created.
No, you created a host by using the host name. Host is host. The name is
Network with
host.
the name of host only.
Host only. Host and space host.
Again, host.
Yeah.
No, Sanjay, correct it, Briti, correct it. Actually, we are running out of time. Okay, we start new by automatic. We have to write just network. We
Uh,
have to give the network
yeah.
name.
Sorry, I forgot the right and network.
And we have to give the image name. Okay, now put enter.
Image name. Sorry.
Actually, I have to correct the port number also.
Okay, you do it.
No, it is another network. No.
But okay, you try.
Even though, okay, I'll just try that.
Try. Let's show you what happened. Okay, you got the error. Look, that port it is not assigned to Sanjay one. No any port.
Means in a Docker engine, port should be unique for every container.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. So I was thinking कि, in the network it should be unique
No,
for the another network.
you delete it and fast. Do delete it fast. You delete that container and create one again new container in host network.
Okay.
You have to stop first.
published ports are discarded when using host network mode. Okay, we have to forcefully give that one. Hello, is anyone there?
Yeah, what happened, Briti?
Yeah, actually, even if I have given that one also, it is not working. Like the port numbers are not assigned for the host network. It is given like published ports are discarded when using host network. Like it means like we have to what is that? Forcefully we have to give that. I think so.
Okay, just create another container in the host network.
Or else I'll just try whether it is running or not.
You click enter. The second container you have created.
So give subject to
Sorry, what did you say, Sanjay?
uh, subject to create
No.
a.
Yeah, even if I create a new container also, new what is that port number is not allotted for that.
Yeah, you created two container na, Briti?
No, I have created only one container.
Yeah,
I'm just
you create one more na. I told you na, create one more.
okay. I think it is taking some time. No,
Again right.
no,
No, means that command. This for the second container, Sanjay 2.
already in use.
Right, Sanjay 2, Sanjay 3. Or you do one thing. Yes, right first Sanjay 3. Then we will see at Docker ps minus a. Okay, now you do ps not minus a. You do with that part. First Docker ps. Now ps minus a. Okay.
Like it is created, but it is not. They are not running. The containers are stopped.
Okay, means only one container can run in host network. Okay. Now, you know why it is not taking at the port forwarding? Because you know that containers taken the host network only. Means container shares the host network whatever it have. Okay. Means there is no any network isolation between your container and the host. Sanjay, are you getting my point?
Yes, Ravi. Briti runs
Yeah,
one command.
go there and run their Brati as your local host one. Means it is directly port to your network. Means the your local host one. Write it there local host colon 80.
I have given that one also, Ravi. For second container only, I have given that, but it is not working.
Not working. Colon
See,
80.
yeah, I have given colon 80 only. See, I will always, I mean, okay, I'll retype that. Localhost colon 80. I'm giving only 80.
Okay, you open that one. That incognito window.
No, it is not working.
Write full one. HTTP colon that's one. Yeah, now put enter.
It is not taking.
It should listen on that port number.
Can I, I mean, can I try with the host IP address? Like,
Yeah,
even for
you
getting
try.
IP address also, I'm not getting.
You try that. Or you just inspect na. You inspect that one. Your network, host network.
Okay. Oh,
Docker,
Try with ID.
Docker spelling is wrong. That's it. Docker spelling everything.
oh, there's no IP address allotted for this.
IP address is not allocated now.
Yeah. For the containers, it is not giving. Like, here it is given containers. No IP specially assigned for this.
And this is the inspection for the second network, no? Breaking network.
Yeah, this is for the first net. I mean, the host network. Like here in the IPAM, like we have to get in the config details, the IP configuration details.
Okay.
But for the host network, we are not getting. But for the bridge network, we are getting. Uh, Ravi, if you don't mind, can I just give a I mean give a prompt for the Chat GPT so
Yeah,
that
yeah.
I can get
Yeah. Try to rectify it.
like why I'm unable to yeah.
Yeah, give your that one. What you have done the inspect part na. You give that code. No, not that one.
Okay. No, I just want to check like why I'm not able to give port number.
Oh, that I told you no that it is using your host network. That is why it is the
Yeah, at least I have to get the host IP address also, right? I
yeah.
I
Okay.
didn't get the host IP address.
Okay.
That's why.
Try to go the chat GPT. Let what it's saying.
Okay, that means. No need of mentioning the host, I mean network name.
Yeah, yeah. We don't have to give any network here. We don't have to mention the network.
Yeah, we don't actually assign it. Edit the nginx config. But how to give this port number directly like this?
You just copy.
Rename.
You do Briti one thing. You copy the, the inspect one, that host network you inspect na, that one. You copy that one and paste it here, and ask that I'm not able to uh, get nginx at port number 80, like that. You give some prompt.
Yeah. Array.
You got any result, Briti?
Like it is saying like it won't take the port number if we give that tag hyphen p. Like it will take if without that tag we have to create a container, so like it will create in the host network itself. So if we search in a separate what is that web page like localhost 80, we'll get that web page, like no need of assigning a separate port numbers for that.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm getting assurance again, so that I'm just giving this prompt like this. Yeah, here I got. No, we cannot assign a dynamic port number on using network host because port publishing is ignored in host mode.
Okay. And you do one thing. You go to your there and try to what you have given one command na, that one, host name.
Yeah, no need of giving this hyphen hyphen network host.
Yeah, that is clear. Okay. In host network, we don't have to give that part. And
Mm.
just I'm asking that it is running automatically there na, without that one. So I want to check that in which port it is running, like means where it is running your nginx one in host network.
Can I check with this one? No, not like
You
this.
go to VS Code and try to write code. That one you have written one code now, that host name I slash
It is not working actually. I have seen this.
host name. You write WSL host host name minus I. Yeah, put enter.
Okay.
Yeah, you copy this one and give the port number 80. Yeah, give the port number 80.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ravi, if I have given host name, like it should work. Like when I have tried with what is that mobile XTerm while I was learning, I have given host name hyphen I and host name also, so that I can get. I mean, I got a private IP address of that particular host. But when I have given the host name here, I'm getting only bridge network name.
Okay, means your host network name is not there, na?
Yeah. Uh, okay, I'll go through the help. Global for the containers, span commands, manage containers, common commands.
Briti, the host name, the command you entered, that is not a bridge network, I guess. This is your system host name.
Okay, you do one thing, Briti. You try to inspect your container one. You inspect your container, Docker inspect, and you give the container ID. Yeah, now you do Docker inspect, and you have to give your container ID.
Which container one?
The last one, the host network.
The host network is the
Yeah,
Sanjay one.
yeah.
No, there is no IP address for that.
No
Network
IP
host
address.
null. There is no gateway also.
Okay, Docker Nginx one. Go on top, starting from the top.
Just create a new network, host network now.
No, it won't create. Like the system will have only one host network.
Okay.
You do one thing, Breti. You go to your system. Chrome one, Chrome, and write only localhost. Might be it is running on that only localhost. Yeah, put enter. Mhm. You go to and try to enter into that container. You try to get into that container. Sanjay, let me go into that container. How we can go into that container? You know the command na?
To go to inside the container.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sanjay, are you there?
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, tell me command.
Okay, you are asking me. Okay.
Yeah, how we can enter into container? Your name container.
Docker,
Yeah.
Docker exec
Okay, Docker exec.
exec hyphen it container name or ID slash space slash bin space bash.
You write
Uh,
only. You write only
hyphen
bash. You write.
bash.
You write only bash. Briti, just we want to enter into. Yeah. Now you check your Nginx is there or not in that. You check Nginx is there or not. Where we have to go? Sanjay, I'm asking you what we have to do.
Okay. Uh, cd uh, cd root cd hyphen
Don't try to mug up the things. Means you try to go with the concept. Briti, what we have to do right now? Yeah, we have to do the ls. We have to check the what are the files there in our system. Okay. Now where we have to go?
user. No, actually, I know the path, so I am telling the whole path.
Okay, okay. Yeah, you tell the whole path. Go according to Sanjay. Yeah, tell me Sanjay.
cd user
User.
user hyphen in front of okay
Yeah, forward slash. Then
uh, var sorry www
Sanjay, here it won't work here. That work on we having the full operating system na. That time it works there only. But you in container you have only the you are using the host operating system like that.
okay okay
So some difference is there. So Birati, you go. There is file in share na. Yeah, go to share.
nginx html
Yeah, it having the index.html file. Okay, just try to do the nano one, or you just try to cat that index.html. Okay, means you having all the file with you, but it is not running. You try to do one thing, Brati. Come back at home.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, you try to run one command like that. We try to get that it is listening on port number 80 or not. Docker exec. Uh, we have done that part exec one. Now we have to check in Nginx one. Nginx is there. Yeah, everything is fine. Why it is not listening there? Put exit. Yeah, you do one thing. Again, you run that command docker exec one. With that, docker exec minus it container id and nginx. I'm not able to see your
uh,
screen.
Ravi, your voice got clumsy. I'm not getting it.
Your screen is getting freeze.
Oh yeah, so that I am also getting confused. Yeah, okay. Now it's visible. Now you do docker exec. Briti, you do docker exec that minus it and then container id.
The first one itself, I'm going like the host container.
Then you have to put a space and you have to write nginx, then space minus capital T, then space. Then you have to write, that the straight line, the separation command. Uh, it is just it is just beside that your enter one. Above the shift one, you have to press shift and that line.
I'll just. You are saying Docker
No,
port
no, no,
number.
no, 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 no. Just I am saying you have to give a straight line there. Separator they're required in that code.
Okay,
So
I got.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Put a space and again you have to write grep listen. Yeah, put enter. Not listening.
Like, what is that for?
Actually, we're trying to get that whether it is listening at port number 80 or not. Your that container one. Okay. So we are trying for that one, that part.
No, it is not.
You just try to enter into your container, Brati.
Yeah, Ravi.
Yeah, yeah. You write nginx there, or you write listen, lstn. Giving any command? No, no. You do one thing. Go to you write nginx space minus t. Is giving anything?
Capital T?
Yeah, capital T only.
No.
Okay. You do one thing. You delete that container. You delete that container, that part which having the host network. First you stop that one. Yeah, exit. Yeah, now again you create in that network, and don't give here the that part.
Network
Yeah,
tag one.
yeah,
You're asking for the network tag, right?
yeah. Create Docker, run network.
Even if we don't put the network, also we'll get into the same host network, right? Is that okay?
Yeah,
Shall I put enter?
yeah. Put enter.
Okay,
Uh,
I'm sorry.
you have to remove now.
I haven't removed that. I
Yeah,
just stopped
only.
that. Yeah.
Okay, now you search for local host there in Chrome. Local host only. Local host only. Local host. Localhost 80. You try with 80. Mm-hmm. You do one thing. Again, you go there in VS Code. Yeah, you do Docker asec -it, and you have to give the container ID.
Oh, sorry.
Don't put enter. Just exit.
No, I didn't give the bash. That's why it hasn't
Yeah,
entered into that
yeah.
one.
Now rewrite the code. Yeah, delete bash. You give nginx and -t there. It is opening something or not.
What is the tag minus t means?
That is the 81. It is yeah. It is listening at port number 80. Then why it is not opening? You know, na that part means Docker. You know, asec. You know, there is a -t, na.
Yeah,
Yeah, means it is giving us that means detail one.
attached more.
Yeah,
Sorry.
means nginx -t means whether it is running nginx in that container or not na. It is just showing that part with the help of that code. With that we gave na that -t.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then why it is not listening? You do one thing. Scroll down. It It is saying it is listening at port number. Scroll down little bit more. Why it is giving 404 error? If it will not connect means it will give the 404 error. Okay, it is very good. uh, Proxy, the PHP script Apache listening on that one. You click on that one, proxy pass HTTP 1 to 7, that one, and the line proxy pass, not that one, the blue. Yeah, put, yeah, control plus click, give control plus click. Yeah, control.
Yeah, I'm giving that one only. Yeah, it is taking time, sir. No.
uh There is a problem with that. Okay, tomorrow we'll see again it. Okay, tomorrow we'll see again for this host network. Now today, Sanjay, you share your screen, and today we'll create one AKS, and today we'll wrap that class. Sanjay, yeah, open your that.
What you said away?
Yeah, Azure portal. Click on Azure
Azure.
portal. Yeah.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, you open that Azure Kubernetes services.
This one, this one.
The second one, Kubernetes services. Yeah. Okay. If you have any Kubernetes in your directory or in your ID, it will show here. Okay, as a list there. Now you don't
Okay.
have any Kubernetes services to display, so that is blank. It is showing blank. Now click on that. Create Kubernetes cluster. Yeah, now here you have to give the name of resource group. Yeah, let it be DevOps test. Give the cluster name.
Search region. Review and create.
No. Just yeah, for now do review plus create. Yeah, click on that node pools. Click add put. Yeah, click on that. The first one. Oh, wait. It is go back. Yeah, it is showing there. Click on that one. Yeah, click on agent pool. Click on agent pool. Agent pool. scroll down. Now it look over here. It is the size of the node. It is 4 GB, 4 CPU and 16 GB memory. Okay. Maximum node count, you give minimum node count 1, you give minimum 1 and maximum 2. Yeah. Now update it. Okay, you change the size. You change the size. Don't go. Change the size. And size standard D4 ADS. Yeah. Yeah. Choose it here. Yeah. Click on that. Yeah. Click on select. Now you keep that. Wait. Ability zone. Ability zone. You keep. Click on ability zone. Yeah. Uncheck it. No need of that. Okay. Now update it. There is a error in node pools.
You have selected the lesser size, right?
What is the message there? This size is not available in there, your location.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, okay.
D series is not a.
Okay, sir, I choose some D series. Two CPU are needed for this configuration.
I have selected this one. CPU one.
CPU one. Select
I
some.
think there's a problem in the number of nodes. I think so, right, Ravi?
Yeah, try to increase that node. But you,
Like the minimum nodes is we have selected only one, right?
yeah. So it is okay for that. But you try to increase that size, Sanjay. You give 2.
This one.
Uh,
Should I?
or select anyone, any of that. Yeah, select it. Select. You increase the node number of node. Yeah, here. Click on agent pool. You give it to 2. Or you give 1. You give 1.
One both will
Yeah.
will
Now update it.
update.
Yeah.
1 second.
No, it is not
Sanjay, can you
okay.
just open the node pools one? If you have selected the, I mean, can you just scroll down in the node pools?
Notebooks and the notebook.
There is a message, right? Like not message, the maximum node count like that.
The maximum node count.
Maximum allowed for AKS cluster is 1000 per node pools. Mm.
It is a message only that it is giving. You write it now. Maximum node count. You go for 2. Minimum 2 and maximum you write for 2. You go on basic. Go on basic. Yeah, scroll down. Wait. Slowly go. Ability zone not required. Okay. Kubernetes version 1.326. Okay, it is okay. automatic upgrade. You just do click on that. You do right now for you do disable automatic upgrade. You don't want. Okay, okay, leave it. That is associated with that part only. Notes, no need of that one. Okay. Now you do next. What it is saying, 8 CPU are needed for this configuration, but only 0 CPU remain for the standard DD5 MB. Actually, you have to choose the correct node size only, means the size one. Okay, click on that standard, yeah, and choose 8 CPU one right now. Choose a size.
Which one should I select? Should I go for this one?
No, no,
Bigger?
go for bigger one, little bigger one. The 8 CPU, 8 CPU. You click on that.
This one?
The second last.
Okay, 8 CPU.
Oh, sorry, last one. It will lesser in cost.
This one?
$124 is there, na? One. You select that one. Just above that one, where you have kept your cursor, na? Just above, yeah. Click on that. Now select it. Mm-hmm. Scroll down.
Need to the configure only 10 VC CPUs.
You do one thing, Sanjay. You do one thing. You write one node and one that one minimum count is one and maximum count is one. Node full. Yeah. Write one and maximum one. 8 CPU are needed for this configuration.
Should I change the size?
Yeah, change it. You do one thing now. Change the location. Change the location. Give the east US. In east US, every size is available for that container one Kubernetes part. East US. Yeah, here East US.
For the validation, it's taking too much time.
Yeah, click on create.
How did you resolve that, Ravi? Because my
No,
system got
actually,
stuck.
in some region, it is not available all the sizes for the Kubernetes one. So we change
Okay.
the region only.
Okay.
Sanjay, you have to set your credential there, okay? In your local, open your vnet. Sorry, vnet not this it is VS Code or any PowerShell. You open your PowerShell in admin. Here you or you write one prompt in ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT. Yeah, minimize it. Yeah, write it that I want to download the kube config for my AKS cluster. I want to download the kube config for my AKS cluster. For my cluster in my command prompt. Okay, okay. Leave it. Yeah. Open your that one. PowerShell, Sanjay. You open your command prompt, no? You have to open your PowerShell.
He can directly connect to that cluster, right?
Yeah. Sanjay, open your PowerShell, or you can open here also. You have to do the agent login and all here. Actually, you already login in your PowerShell, na? So that it won't require there. Yeah, PowerShell. Yeah, let's check whether your AKS is created or not. Sanjay, go to Azure portal.
Easy login.
Azure portal. Go to Azure portal. Your AKS is created or not? Check it. No, it is in process. Okay, it is in process. Okay, leave it. You do go to their PowerShell and you search it for that one AZ account. So AZ account. So yeah, you are logging into your uh, portal. Okay, means through Azure portal. Now go to your chat GPT one. Go to chat GPT one. You have one command there for the.
David, 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay.
Sorry, Ravi, for that.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, what you said, Ravi.
Yeah, you go to ChatGPT one, and there one command is there. Yeah, that one.
Uh,
Yeah, yeah, that
this one.
yeah, that one. Okay, AZ AKS get credential, and you have to give the resource group name, and you have to give your AKS name.
Let me check a resource group is created or not. It's created. These things is
Yeah, you
all as
you you delete that file. No need of that one. That's file.
fine.
Now, once AKSs get created, yeah, you check it in
Yeah,
yeah, you search there kubectl get nodes in command prompt. Kubectl get nodes. Kubectl KUBE get nodes. You have
uh,
okay, you have your nodes there. Okay, and it is ready.
yes, yeah.
And you have two nodes. Okay, you kept there na two nodes, so it is created two nodes.
Yes,
Okay. Briti, you got this AKS one. How we get into our nodes one?
The get notes I understood, but how you got into the Kubernetes? Like, what is the command you have used? I haven't seen. Like the get credentials is there, right? That one.
Yeah, means actually what happened now? If your AKS there, na, if you created AKS, it should run somewhere, na. So we need one virtual machine, or we need some local system like that. So there you have to set your kube config file and all there, so that you have to first do the AZ login there, and you have to set your subscription ID to that one, and then again you have to get the credential, means whatever the AKS is created in your account. so that it can be there in front of you, so that you can manage your cluster, you can manage your nodes, you can manage your any ports and all. Okay, got it, Briti? And that command is only that part only. First you have to do the AZ login, and then you have to set your AKS one here, like AZ AKS get credential. You have to go through this command, and you have to give the resource group name in which your AKS is created, and you have to give that name. That's this name Sanjay, means that AKS name. And if
The
you,
cluster name is Sanjay, right?
yeah, cluster name is Sanjay. And if you having any cluster like ACR, okay, so that you have to make their association with that Kubernetes one like AKS. So there also we have to give the association part here if we have the ACR. So we'll go through that part, okay, later. So we
Like even if we don't give that AZ ask get credentials, if we give get nodes, like kubectl get nodes, we can get the nodes itself, right?
no, without your fetching any ID and all, how can you get it? First you have to fetch it, na? You have to set your subscription and all set there.
Okay.
Okay. And if you are doing like we are using minikube there, na, in our local system, though, so that it is automatically created any ID or whatever it is. Okay, so that
Okay.
we are simply doing there. But here you have to, while you are creating AKS or while you are creating EKS, then you have to go in that way. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So tomorrow we'll go it little bit longer in Kubernetes, okay, and as well as Docker. Okay. Tomorrow we'll see the two tier and the multi-stage Docker file. The basic Docker you have done right now. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Uh,
Sanjay, if you don't mind, can you just open the cluster overview? You have what you have created?
no,
No,
in
not from here. In the Azure
Azure
portal.
portal C is
The
asking.
Azure portal itself.
Yeah. In free account, it will give you a trouble. Okay. Some region you have to select it accordingly. Means every region it don't
I
support.
selected US East.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes.
US East is one of the costly data center in the world, so
Okay.
Yeah.
it having all the facilities there.
Okay. Like instead of going to the PowerShell and getting their
Yeah,
credentials, if
we can
you work here means
yeah, we can connect here through the Bastion and all.
okay.
We have option to connect
Okay.
here.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, like it is what it is kind of VM only. Okay,
Yeah.
so whatever we have went through the process of we connecting a VM, we can go here like that. Okay.
Okay. The same Docker commands we can use here itself, all right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I got that. Yeah.
Okay, tomorrow we'll see again a bit longer here.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay, Ravi.
Okay, thank you
Yeah.
guys.
Okay, Ravi. Thank you, Ravi.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ravi.
Yeah.